Hi! Today I'm showing you how to make this miniature dollhouse closet. This particular closet has faux wire baskets, hangers, and of course room for all of your doll's shoes, dresses, pants, skirts, shirts, sweaters, more shoes, whatever you want, it has the room for it. I'm Kat Williams, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I went to Hobby Lobby to start, and I bought a sheet of 1/16 thick balsa wood. This is also 3 inches wide and 3 feet long. I'm going to use the whole strip. Now I'm not too fond of the Hobby Lobby price sometimes. I can get this for $1 cheaper at Michael's and a couple of dollars cheaper on the internet. Now I cut this into 4 strips of 9 inches each, and I glued all of those strips together so that now my closet background is going to be 9 inches tall and 12 inches long. Now I'm going to use extra jumbo popsicle sticks. These are about 1 inch thick each, and I cut off the tips of them and glued them together so that they could make sections that were 9 inches long and sections that were 12 inches long. I need 4 9-inch sections and 4 12-inch sections. I'm going to glue these together in groups of 2 so that I have 2 12-inch sections stacked together and 2 9-inch sections stacked together. And then I'm going to use these to form my walls. Glue those together on the outside of your balsa wood base. Then I went into Walmart and I found these giant craft sticks. So this is my first time using them. I like them quite a bit though. They're 1.25 inches wide each, so that will give me a little more versatility for additional projects. And I'm going to use these to make the partitions. So I started by forming 2 walls to go along the side and give me separation for shelves. Then of course I glued in additional pieces to form any other sort of shelving used. I'm using an extra jumbo popsicle stick as a guide. That way if I want to make any drawers for any of these, I can make them easily just using the extra jumbo popsicle stick as a base. So lay the stick down and use a pen or pencil to mark off where it lands. Then you can glue additional giant popsicle sticks in between as partitions and shelving. Continue to add additional shelves in the places that you'd like, trying to keep them within the same size range. So now I've completed all of my shelves and all of my partitions, and I'm going to go on ahead and start trying to make some drawers now. And again, I'm going to use the extra jumbo popsicle stick that I used to space things with. And I cut out strips that would fit the inside of the little shelves that I wanted to put drawers in. Then I'm using a small coffee stir stick to add additional little details and beveling on the inside. I decided to do 4 drawers on the bottom of either side. And now I'm going to use a jumbo popsicle stick to build the walls of the drawer, as well as another extra jumbo popsicle stick to fill in the space at the bottom. So the extra jumbo popsicle stick at the bottom and the front, and jumbo popsicle sticks filling in the side and the back. I completed all 4 drawers that way and put them to the side. Then I also used some wood filler, which I'm not showing here, and filled in any gaps just to make it neat. And then some brown paint to cover it. Now normally I prefer to use a mixture of dark brown paint and a little bit of black to give it just, the wood streaking effect, but in this case I decided against it and I just bought a tube of burnt sienna paint and went with that. I'm also going to use a standard kitchen skewer, the types you use for barbecues, and I painted this with a silver Sharpie marker. I'm on vacation, so I'm going to be a little lazy. Sorry about that, guys. I use a 20 gauge piece of wire, and I just use some round nose or needle nose pliers to just go on ahead and shape those into hangers. I'm not going to provide really any instructions on how to do that because it's pretty simple. You're just wrapping the hanger to form a curve at the top and then bending it in the shape of a hanger. Mine are 1.5 inches long each. And then a quick trip to the dollar store, and I found some plastic packages that I can use for faux wire shelves. Peel off any of the labels. And remove the contents. Then you can cut them all off. And again, I'm on Christmas vacation, so I'm going to be a little lazy here. And instead of actually shaping the wire around the baskets, I will save that for a future tutorial. I'm going to use a Sharpie marker to draw some silver lines vertically and horizontally across the plastic. You can also use paint for this, Sharpie marker, a paint pen, or whatever else you have. Place the baskets and the hangers inside your closet, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.